Good morning, guys. Savvy and Albu, welcome. Since you guys are the only ones in the chat. Albu, yes, the German is always first. The German is always first. Morning, Savvy. I'm not sure who's all here yet. I'm still getting things. I thought this RTY Glizzy this morning print was just going to leave me behind because I can't get into a trade on this account without it being recorded. And I was like, man, this is too close to when I have to go live, so I can't take this trade. Unfortunately, when it printed over here. And then this one is too close to the open for me, especially seeing where the interest is on the Dom on NQ. I'm too scared to hit the short button right now. Yeah, volatility coming down will be nice. We'll see what happens when the opening bell sounds, but it's looking pretty good right now. I'm hoping that we can get this Take Profit Trader account passed today. I'm like $1,200 away from passing, so really we just need one print. I will go over my levels here on NQ so you guys can see them. So what I'll be looking for on NQ today, I'd like to see a pullback into this 19,050 area, but it's looking like we run these highs first. I'd be looking for rejections up here at 280 to 300. That seems to be where the interest is going to be. Looks like we got a bunch of buy orders stacked up, 220 to 235 roughly, down into 200. So we'll see if it wants to pull back into that 200 and launch off the open, but I'm not sure what to expect today. I don't know what's fake news anymore either. It seems like there's some sort of news coming out all the time and they're conflicting stories. What's up, Joel? So yeah, we're going to also Wednesday evening my time, Goose and I will be doing a Globex collab live stream. So I think we're gonna start at like 7:30 Eastern Standard, 6:30 Central, and we'll probably be on for an hour or two. Morning, Mason. So yeah, so these are my levels on NQ that I have today. Guys, if we do come back down here to this 700 level, that's no good for the bulls anymore. So if we do happen to pull back into this 18,700 level on NQ, just be leery that if we're holding below that, it could, I'm thinking we probably fall back into this like 250 area. So, and it could be relatively rapid down through here. So just be careful if we do get down there and don't hold as support. So yeah, that's my read for the day. How was your guys' weekend? Morning, Khaled. Looks like we're getting glizzy prints on all the indexes right now, but I'm going to wait till open to see if it wants to sweep some liquidity higher. Yeah, Mason, their support right now is a little overwhelmed. They're going through those growing pains, so just be patient. They should give you your money back. What's up, Fletcher? Learning how to code in Python. Oh, man. Glizzy paid instantly, it looks like. Yeah, Mason, you shouldn't have been charged that. I think those emails are auto-generated and they just haven't caught up to the no fee 30 promo code. But you definitely shouldn't have had to pay. I thought it was weird that that they were trying to force you to pay. Well, did anybody catch the YM Glizzy? It's about to hit full target. And there's full target on the YM. With NQ, well, ES is kind of falling more than NQ is currently. Well, that's scary to take those glizzies right off the open, but they're all paid, every last one of them. It's a little frustrating. Let's see if we can get a retrace of this move back up. It's kind of what I'd like to see. Well, it looks like it's going to leave me behind, guys. Unfortunately, ES is almost to the Kelp mid. NQ looks like it's coming in for the Kelp mid, another 50 points lower. And unfortunately, I can't enter down here. This is too much risk to try and catch a little bit of a move on all these indexes. Morning, Kev. Guys, let me know if the music's too loud. I selected a different playlist this morning. I think it's like trap beats or something like that. Trying to keep the energy up. All right. Good, Savvy. Thank you. Too quick, too Johnny. Yeah. Yeah, Mason. Yeah, John likes to say hello quite a bit these days, especially on NQ. NQ's so wiki. It's a tough trade. It's tough trading NQ right now. right, let's see what happens here at the Kelp mid on NQ. I'd like to see NQ come back into this 19,050 area. Like 50 to 30, somewhere in there. Unfortunately, on these accounts, I can't take that trade. Because I have to take only glizzy prints on this account. So you might not see a trade today, unfortunately, unless I stay on stream for 6-7 hours, which isn't going to happen. Eight-hour stream, yeah. That's grueling. I don't know how some people do it. You know, I suppose it's one thing if you're doing something different, but staring at charts for 8 consecutive hours is not easy for me. Morning, Jack. I missed the glizzy trade too. It's right off the open. It's hard to take those. It's hard to take those. We might get another one. I mean, if YM holds this Kelp mid and comes back up, you might get another one. But where you guys have the benefit is my account that I'm using the glizzies on specifically, I can only take glizzy trades on because, well, you know why. The full transparency portion of the glizzy series. So I can only take glizzy trades on this account. I can't take other trades that I would typically take. And because it happened right as I was starting the stream, there just was no way for me, because everything has to be recorded. So I'm at a disadvantage when it comes to glizzy prints that happen right before regular trading hours starts. I'm at a serious disadvantage. I can't take them because they're not recorded. In fact, I was telling Mason, I was incredibly annoyed when that thing was printing at like 8:45 my time, 40 minutes before the open. It's like, oh man, I can't get into this trade because then I can't go live if I'm in this trade prior to going live. Morning, Dave. All right, looks like we're coming down into that 19,050 area on NQ. Let's see if we bounce out of it or not. Below there, I'll be looking at The 950 area, 18,950. I don't want to play anything really around this gap fill area because you never know. You get the sweep lower. It's a nice pullback off those highs, though. I guess it really didn't matter which index you took the glizzy on. All of them paid. Full target, too. That's nice. That's real nice. Wish I could have taken it. Man, NQ's really falling off here. All right, let's see what happens in this area. Maybe a bounce back up to 100. $120-ish. Or we just straight flush it all. Man, I don't know how you guys trade NQ these days. Like it's so volatile. Like unless you're trading micros, there's just no yeah, unless you're trading a micro, there's no entry in even a micro. I mean, this quick sweep in the last 10 seconds is almost 40 points, you know? Like that's just entirely too much risk on a mini. I mean, 50-point bounce out of the bottom. And counting. Okay, 80-point bounce in 2 minutes. Actually, less than 2 minutes. Hey, Jose. How was your weekend, brother? No, Ollie, I'm not. Well, I mean, I do trade my Top Step account still, but no, I'm not. What you see is my take profit trader accounts. Or account. Singular. And I've been in this eval for longer than I've ever been in an eval before because I'm only trading glizzies. So unfortunately, the streams aren't going to be very active. We just have to hope and pray that price gets to a glizzy. I've been in this evaluation for 2 weeks. Longest I've ever been in an eval. It's the same, Ollie. The parameters are the same for the account. It's $3,000. It's a 50K. Morning, Phoenix. Some of them took the glizzy print, Phoenix. I did not. It was too close to the open. Well, I guess I just sit back and wait at this point. Yeah, Ollie. On Friday after the close, My Fun of Futures had a huge flash sale on their accounts. I think the 50K ended up being $63 all in after the promo, but it was only for like 15. It was like 15-minute flash sale, but that's the best I've seen. That's the best price I've ever seen. All in. All in, it was $63 on a 50K. I let the community know. I definitely, as soon as I saw it, posted it in Level Up. It was only a one-time use thing, though. It was only for one account. You got one stab at it. And I'm not sure who all got them. I know Mason picked up one. It looks like Khaled picked up one and has already passed it. I think Palmetto might have got one. They were sneaky about it, though. They did it after the close, right after the close on Friday. So when everybody's getting ready to go on their weekends and probably shutting down the charts so they don't have to look at charts anymore for the week. And then they sent it out. They were sneaky about it. Yeah, I noticed they try to reward their they try to reward their inner circle traders. No pun intended. They like people that stay tuned into their Discord frequently. They're also starting they're starting a live stream as well. I know they've reached out to traders who want to come on their live streams. They're looking for mods. So I want to say you'll see kind of like a Top Step TV type thing out of My Funded Futures here shortly. I'm not sure if you guys have the same issues I do with allergies, but man, my sinuses and allergies have been awful the last week or so. Seems like every night I lay down and just immediately plug up. Eyes are swollen and itchy and burning. It's just bad. The eyes feel like puffy. They feel heavy. Yeah, Dave, I don't know. When I was younger, I never used to deal with it all that much, or at least I didn't notice it. But as I get older and older, it seems like more and more I definitely feel the allergies. Yeah, Fletch. It's about right. It's about right. I mean, we're all getting older, technically. I age the same as the rest of you. But definitely starting to notice more grays coming in the beard. Not really so much on the top of the head, but definitely in the beard. Right in the chin area. Fletcher, you're too young for those grays, brother. Yeah, you're definitely too young. I'm dyeing my hair. No, I don't have enough energy, nor do I care enough to dye my hair, Mason. Sorry. Just don't care. It's crazy because when I was young, like up until the time I was 17, I was blonde. I was a blonde baby. And then as I get older, it slowly darkens. Not rocking a mullet. I'm too old for that too, Albu. The 20-year-olds love the mullet look these days. I don't have the kind of I don't have the personality to rock a mullet. You gotta really own it if you're gonna rock the mullet. Take a look at the DOM here quick and see what we got interest-wise. It's looking like we got more interest to the top side than we do to the bottom right now. Up around 19,250 on NQ. Let's see something here. It's too much risk right now. I'm gonna go short on Top Step. Well, that kind of ripped out of nowhere, didn't it? Put my stop here at 80. I'm out. Well, that was ridiculous. Instant rip. I need to not trade NQ, guys. Like I'm done with these 40, 50 point sweeps out of nowhere. Done with them. NQ is just not it right now. Not it. You catch slippage of like 10 to 20 points. It's impossible. Actually impossible. And then the one quick sweep up to take me out for a $400 loss, and then go. Yikes. I know. It's ridiculous, Jose. It's actually ridiculous. And then right back up. 30 to 80 in no time. Morning, Mr. Fox. I mean, luckily I was up. What was I up last night? $1,100 on a trade from last night. So I'm still positive on the session. Like, let's see here. What am I up? Just shy of $700 now. But still, that's obnoxious. Yeah. Yeah, savvy. Yeah, I like the long two now. I mean, it's held support. Oh, Mr. Fox, I took the short from like 60, and it did this quick sweep up into the 80s and took my stop, and then came down to 30. I entered like in here, and it did this one quick sweep up, and then got me, took me out. Yeah, I like longs now, guys. At least back up into 160 to 180 here. Oh, nice, Mr. Fox. Yeah, it's scary trading right now. It's really scary trading. Holy rip. Oh, there's 160. I mean... I mean, was the market listening to me? I mean... Yikes. Yikes, yikes, yikes. Let's see, we're back above the kelp mid. If we can get like a 120 pullback, I'm not opposed to trying the long again. Like right into point and control. I just don't know if we get it. Price moves so fast. Alright, we're above 160. I don't know if I'm gonna get that 120 pullback. This looks like it's just gonna go higher. Watching this high volume here on the volume profile. See what happens. All right, here comes that 120 pullback. Hey, Palm. Man, NQ is volatile. It's so volatile. Nice sell-off off the 180 level. Yeah. Look at these wicks. Like, this is actually absurd. Looks like we're right back into the crazy volatility. Savvy, remember when pre-market you were like, I kind of like the less volatility. This is still volatile. Yeah. Wind Globe Extreme. It's on Wednesday, Albu. Yeah, yeah, Savvy. I mean, it's still just sliding around. Yeah, guys, Wednesday I won't be doing a day stream. Um, Goose and I will be on Wednesday evening. Oh man, Mr. Fox. Well, let's see. So the UK is 5 hours ahead of my time. So 7:30 my time. London time will be 12:30 a.m. And then depending on German, I think for Albu it would be 1:30 a.m. Yeah, it'll be a rough one for you guys, unfortunately. Yeah, so it'd be like 2:30 a.m. for you if you're 7 hours ahead of my time. All right, so it never got to this level again. Let's take... I think I might try along here, guys. Wait to see if it wants to sweep back a little 100 first. But if it holds 100, I'm probably going to punch long. Alright, let's take it right off point of control. Let's go for... just target this area. Something like this. If I get swept, I get swept. Of course. Yeah, it probably grabs my stop here. Was kind of hoping for the quick push through the point of control, but we just never got it, and now it's flushing off of it, so I'm probably going to take this stop out, and that's probably going to be my last trade for the day. Or at least the live stream. I mean, come on. Alright, enough with the NQ. I'm done with it. Done with it. Done with it, done with it, done with it. Done with it. I just gave back all my profits. Did it again. I did it on Friday, where I came into the day with over $1,000 in profit, and I just did it again. Back-to-back days, up $1,000, give it right back on the live streams, all because I trade NQ on these stupid live streams. It's so frustrating. I'm just done. Done with NQ. Absolutely done with it. Back-to-back sessions where I'm up over $1,000 and give it all back on 2 trades. Because NQ instantly likes to rip 40 points in either direction. Just done. Will not be trading NQ for a while. Yeah, Mason, that That was on my live account. Gave it all back. So that trade that I took with you last night is gone, pretty much. I'm flat on the session again. Actually, I'm down $10 now. Down $10. Or down 27 after commissions. Well, guys, I'm frustrated and annoyed at this point. I'm probably going to kill the live stream. There ain't no reason for me to sit around right now. I'm going to go do something else. I'm going to go clear the mind, come back with a fresh mindset, and try to make money and not sit here and lose it on a live stream. Like, I'm not trading NQ anymore until the volatility dies down a little bit. It's just, I'm sorry, it's not worth it. It's just not worth it. You might get lucky and catch a banger, but it's just too wicky. Like, it's too much sweepy 50, 60 points at a clip price action to be trying to trade minis on. Even micros, you know, you're looking at, what is that, $100 on a micro on those sweeps? You know, $100, $200 on these 1 minute candle prints. That's too much. That's too much. So I'm going to get out of here. Trade safe, guys. Enjoy the rest of your day. And I will be back on, let's see, Wednesday evening, my time with Goose at 7:30 p.m. Eastern, 6:30 Central. So until then, stay safe. Hopefully you guys secure a bag, and I will see you on Wednesday. Peace.